We are the MPDV Group. We are experts for the smart factory and your partner to increase productivity. What makes us unique? We are motivated.
As a family business, it is particularly important to have a high level of innovation and to keep up with the times in order to provide our customers with up-to-date products. You could say, from the southwest of Germany to the whole world. In the last decades, we have established subsidiaries, which are located near major manufacturing sites around the world. We are represented in China, Singapore, Malaysia, and in the USA, with the aim to provide best possible support for production companies on their way to the smart factory.
The MPDV Group is your partner to turn your business into a sustainable factory, with customized solutions and real innovation know-how. We are professional. The MPDV Group is made up of different enterprises dedicated to the smart factory and with a focus on AI and new technologies.
I've been with MPDV for over 25 years and have had the privilege of leading the MPDV from a small family business to today's global player. The right solutions for us are innovative products, suitable services, and support during operation.
MPDV is dynamic. In a world that's spinning ever faster, we are open to change and embrace new technologies. We offer solutions for companies ready to move into the fast lane and are always one step ahead. We are visionary from day one, which was in 1977.
The smart factory is a big issue for manufacturing companies in Germany and Europe. However, this means that we need to unlock hidden potential in these companies.
Anyone who opts for our solutions is in good hands. This is the MPDV Group, with more than 500 employees in branches in Europe, Asia, and North America. We offer custom solutions and standard software to suit your individual needs.
MPDV will continue to remain on the market as a family-owned concern. This is what I stand for as a second-generation representative on the management board.
Contact us and let's develop your solution together.